It's sneaker giveaway time. All you guys need to do to enter this free sneaker giveaway for a pair of the Gratitude Air Jordan 11s in your size is smash that like button right now. Hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 300 likes. That would be amazing. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We're almost at 70,000 subscribers. Get me to 70. Hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know what size you need in the Jordan 11. They do run true to size. Let me know what size you are. Then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on IG. Danny Moore 2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this free sneaker giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of the month. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube. So make sure you guys come back to the channel, and good luck on a free pair of Jordan 11 Gratitudes. And don't worry, if you do not win this sneaker giveaway, I do monthly sneaker giveaways here on the channel. So make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit that subscribe button, and join the Moore family. So you want to become a sneakerhead. You want to get into this world, into this culture of sneaker collecting. You want to learn how to start a sneaker collection. Well, you guys clicked on the perfect video. This is going to be a full beginner's guide on how to be a sneakerhead and how to start collecting sneakers. If you guys are new to my channel and you guys love sneakers, take a second please to smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe. Get me to 70,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. You guys clicked on the right channel if you love sneakers. If you're new, hey, my name's Danny Moore. I'm a sneakerhead, and I'm going to tell you guys how to become a sneakerhead. I started off in 2010, so I know a lot about shoes. I'm going to show you guys and teach you guys everything you need to know in this video, a full beginner's guide on how to become a sneakerhead and how to start collecting shoes. Money, 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 money. Of course, you need money to buy sneakers. If you are young and don't have a job yet, this is my recommendation. Ask what you can do. Family members, friends, ask around what can you do to earn some money. You're not going to earn a lot. It's going to be some work that you're going to have to do, but you will learn and you will learn from it. It'll be a learning process. You're not going to have to do it for a long time. Don't look at it that way at all. It's not going to be a long thing. Look at it as a short-term thing. Hey, what could I do for a quick $50? Hey, what could I do for a quick, $20? What could I do for $5 that'll take 5 minutes? It's something very easy just to do like that. Like I said, ask around. It could be as simple as mowing the lawn. It could be as simple as shoveling snow. Anything. Just if you're young, try to make some money. If you're also young, go on the internet, and I also recommend watching some YouTube videos on how to make money as a young adult or a young person. It'll definitely help you out with some of those videos. I also recommend buying and selling used shoes. If you can get into that market, you could definitely make some money. It is tough, but you definitely will make profit, and you'll learn a lot that way. That's how I started, getting into the buying and used market, flipping those, learning, doing trades. You'll definitely learn a lot, and I mean a lot, going that route. That's how I started off personally. Now, if you're older, of course, you could have a job, an income, making money. Do not, and I repeat, common sense, do not earn, let's just say, $2,000 in a month and go spend $1,500 in that month on sneakers. Just don't do that. It does not make sense. I recommend keeping it to anywhere, and I know this is going to sound crazy to some of you. Try to keep it under like 15% of your income. I know 15, 20% at tops, because retail has went up on a lot of these sneakers. Sometimes you got to bite the bullet and pay resale. I get it, but you have other expenses, so try to keep it down, down, down. Do not be spending half of your money on sneakers. That is just a no-no. Do not be doing that. Of course, you guys know, as a responsible adult, of course, don't do that, right? Make sure you have your priorities in order. Sneakers are a hobby, right? It can come last. If you're not fully doing it, full reselling, and it's not a full-time thing for most of us, right? It's not at all. Listen, it's a hobby. Treat it that way. Don't treat it as a full-time thing when it's simply not. Keep that in mind. You don't want to be blowing a bag when you don't need to. Don't. It's not necessary. Now, money will come money will go. It's a part of life. You guys know how money works. Use it as a tool. Try, of course, to, live in the moment, but you also have to worry about your future. Keep that in mind when it comes to just money and, of course, with shoes as well. Where to buy? Everyone wants to know, where can you buy these sneakers? Of course, for retail, price at first, and then we'll talk about resale in a moment. Guys, retailers such as Foot Locker, Finish Line, Champs, JD Sports, there's a lot of retailers. Hibbett Sports, there's a lot of retailers out there. As long as they have an official Nike contract, they are a retailer, and they will sell authentic product for retail on release day. Now, they're not going to carry every single release. Keep that in mind. There are limited releases out there that do require more work and are a little bit harder, of course, to grab. But as far as a lot of these sneakers, yes, a lot of retailers get these sneakers, and do not forget the big one, the Nike Sneakers app. I actually dropped a video on how to cop on the Nike Sneakers app. That video is doing well, so make sure you guys check it out. It will definitely help you out on how to cop on the Nike Sneakers app. The Sneakers app is a big retailer. They get a lot of stock, drop almost every shoe, a lot of shoes, and even the limited ones a lot of the time. So definitely check out the Nike Sneakers app and check out that video. It's definitely a must watch. On the resale side of things, you can go to StockX, GOAT, eBay. They all authenticate. Poison, they all authenticate. As far as, Instagram and all that sort of route, it's definitely a hit or miss. You got to be careful with scammers. As far as Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, all the other places that don't have this authentication service, it's risky, so you have to be careful and take those risks. Sometimes it'll be worth it, sometimes no, not at all. So it's definitely something to get into, but you got to be careful and know what you're doing to get into that route so you do not get scammed. So that is something you'll learn as you go. Buy what you like. I cannot stress this enough. Listen, buy what you like. I know it sounds so simple. What do you mean? Buy what you like. I know. Here's the thing, right? When you get into this, you're going to find a lot of hype. You're going to find a lot of, oh, that person has this shoe, man, I need this shoe. Yeah, don't do that. Do not be that guy. Do not do that. Buy what you like. Listen, bro. Listen, you have to buy what you like, and that is it. And at my point, what I say, here's just my opinion, not even what you like. It's more so what you love. I'm not going to sit here and say I love, shoes like that. But yes, I do, right? We love these shoes in a way. You become, attached in a way. But listen, you got to buy what you love at one point. You got to be picky. That's my main thing. You have to be picky on what you buy because there's so many shoes coming out each and every week, each and every year. Guys, they retro almost everything. Almost everything will come back at one point. Sometimes no, but a lot of Jordan retros especially, they will come back out. Maybe it'll be 5 years, 10 years down the line. But hey, they will come back at one point. So listen, be picky with what you buy. You have to be picky in this sneaker world. There's too many shoes. And I'm going to ask you, if you buy everything that you like, where are you putting it all? It's really that simple. You only have 2 feet. There's only 365 days in a year. And I'm going to ask also, where are you going so often, bro, wearing all these shoes? Right? So keep that into consideration, guys. Buy what you like, what you're actually going to wear, appreciate, enjoy, get use out of. And hey, I love this shoe. This shoe's fire. This fits crazy, bro. I love that type of realm. Not so much I'm being on my hype beast level, and no. If you guys don't know what a hype beast is, because I know some of you may not know because this is a beginner's guide, a hype beast is exactly what it sounds like. You follow the hype, you follow the trends, and that's it. Once the hype and trend is over, you don't care about it. Don't be that guy. You only, the hype beast, they only buy for the hype. They'll go spend $2,000 on the Travis Scott. Next thing you know, say that Travis Scott goes for $2,000. Next thing you know, it's going for, say, $1,000. The hype beast doesn't want the shoe anymore because it just dropped $1,000. That's a hype beast thing to do, right? So don't do hype beast things. Don't be a hype beast. Buy what you like, what you're going to wear, appreciate, enjoy. Like I said before, just buy what you like, bro. It's that simple. Know what you are buying when you buy what you like, right? Know what sneakers you're buying. Know something about the sneaker. Know something, right? Because you will get asked. It will happen where people are going to talk about your shoes. If it's some type of Jordan or some Nike Dunk or something, you're going to get asked, yo, how much you spend on those, or something is gonna come up around your sneakers when you're trying to go that route. It's gonna wind up happening. So you gotta be knowledgeable, right? You don't wanna look like a fool. You don't wanna look like an idiot. I'm gonna say it, right? You wanna look knowledgeable about what you have on your feet, what you have in your collection. Be knowledgeable. You guys can do it very simply. Do some Googling. Watch some YouTube videos on these sneakers. You guys can pick up knowledge very easy. You don't need to know everything about sneakers. You don't need to know everything about every shoe. You're not going to. It'll always be a learning process. Hell, I'm still learning, right? It's always a learning process. Have some knowledge about the history, the backstory. Why is it significant? Something regarding the sneaker. Have some knowledge on what you're buying. Patience. Patience will save pockets. It'll save you time and money down the line. It'll help you out. Have patience, guys. Listen, if you can't get the sneaker right now for the price that you're willing to pay right now, it's not meant to be right now. It will happen. Give it time. Give it patience. You will find the sneakers that you want for the right deal. Keep this in mind, though. If the price is too good to be true, it is. We'll talk about fakes in a minute because that's where that comes into play. But listen, you guys have to have some patience. Have patience. There are restocks. Restocks happen a lot, right? We get a lot of restocks in this world. Restocks, late shipments, right? We will have times where the market is up, the market is down. It's just how it is in this world with any niche, really. So listen, sneakers, guys, you have to have some patience in this world. Give it time. Don't be too patient, because if you're too patient, you'll completely miss out. Prices might skyrocket, or the shoe just may not become wearable if you wait 10 years. I'm not saying wait that long, but give it time. You guys can give it some time. Have patience. You will find what you want one day for the price that you're willing to pay. One day it will happen. Just give it time and be realistic with the price as well. Now, fakes. Fake sneakers. You're bound to come into fakes when you're dealing with so many sneakers. When you're doing this for so long, it's bound to happen where you may get scammed. It's bound to happen, right? So to me, it's always, how does the person deal with the situation? Do they make up for it, or are they just being a scummy person? Just beat the person out on the money. That's a scummy thing to do. But listen, fakes, it's gonna happen. When it comes to you personally, if you want to go that route, that's up to you. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I just know me personally, not the route that I go, would ever go, want to go. No, no, no. But hey, for those of you that want to go that route, that's up to you. Do not do anything crazy. Do not sell them. None of that. And the last tip, the biggest tip, is be you. Be yourself. Do not try to be anybody else. This goes back into the hype beast thing, guys. Just be yourself. Be yourself, true to yourself, who you are, who you want to be, what you want to represent from yourself when you walk out the house, wherever you are, even in your house. Who you are as a person. Let your sneakers, maybe do some personality thing for you. I understand that. It is a thing. When you're wearing a nice fit, it does represent you. But guys, it's not you. You have to keep that in mind. You and the shoes, two different things. The shoes do not make you. You have to make the shoes. So be you. Just do you, bro. That is it. Just be yourself. That's it. Keep it simple, and that is it. This has been a full beginner's guide on how to become a sneakerhead and how to start sneaker collecting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a big like. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and make sure you guys enter in the giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.